Welcome to this clip of Sushasan. Watch the complete video for an interesting conversation and subscribe to the channel now. क्या motivation रहा आपका to get into the services, and especially what inspired you about the police services?
Actually, getting into police services or getting into UPSC, मेरा बहुत ही gradual और I would say एक बड़ा slow और process driven रहा. Before joining services, I was a dental doctor and I was working in Central Jail Tihar. And वहाँ पे one of the incident happened. I saw the entry of DG presence and उस दिन देख के मन में आया लाइफ तो इनकी होती है. And I said, I want this. Interestingly, उसी समय one of our colleagues, he cleared UPSC, and simultaneously we started preparing. He was giving an exam for better rank, so we started preparing. Meanwhile, one of my cousin's best friend, भैया का भी UPSC में selection हुआ. So a lot of factors happened together, which said कि ठीक है डॉक्टरी कर लिया और नौकरी कर रहे हो, बढ़िया कर रहे हो, ये भी एक चीज़ ट्राई करके देखते हैं. And then I slowly gone into going for training for UPSC exam. और जैसे जैसे जब इसकी प्रिपरेशन करने लगे, नई चीज़ें देखनी शुरू हुई, नई चीज़ें समझनी शुरू हुई. Get to learn new subjects जो हमने कभी शायद स्कूल में थे संगीत से नहीं पढ़े थे. For first time I could understand what is economics, what was geography actually was, what was polity actually means. So एक स्पेक्ट्रा बड़ा हो गया, सोचने का दायरा बड़ा हो गया.
स्टार्टिंग में जब आपने प्रिपरेशन अपनी शुरू की होगी, कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड, क्या आपको चैलेंजेस फेस हुए थे? आई थिंक यू मेंशन्ड स्लाइटली अबाउट सम ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट व्हिच आर न्यू, बट विद दैट एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट क्या चैलेंजेस आपको स्टार्टिंग लगे व्हाइल प्रिपेयरिंग?
As a science student and medical student, हमने आर्ट सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं पढ़े होते, especially polity, geography, history, sociology. These are very difficult to understand from a science background student initially, क्योंकि वो हर science background में ना एक equation बड़ी अच्छी तरह से समझ सकता है, पर जहाँ पे एक parallel thinking की ज़रूरत होती है, वहाँ पे कभी ना कभी they just lack a bit. So, सबसे पहले आपको एक अच्छा मेंटर ढूंढना होता है, एक अच्छा टीचर ढूंढना होता है जो आपको ये सब्जेक्ट्स के बेसिक समझा सके. So that was the first challenge. Secondly, आपको the Chinese जैसे Tao में saying है, you have to empty yourself so that the new things can be easily imbibed. So you have to unlearn a lot of things to learn new things. वो एक challenge रहा. Simultaneously, as I was already in a working environment, job में था तो job भी देखना है, पढ़ाई भी करनी है. Plus I was on the higher side of age at that time. I was around 27. So वो सारी चीज़ें manage करनी होती है. So you have to keep yourself motivated all the time. But it was fun time, and I learned a lot. That's I would say my teachers, my mentors were really good. They keep me motivated. They helped me out whenever I needed them. And at the end, it is all about self-study. You need to learn the concept, and then you have to do your own self-study and research to clear the exam.
आपने बताया challenges आपको जो face हुए coming from a medicine background, but what were some of the plus points or some benefits that you got from that background, both in preparation and probably afterwards in your service?
Oh yes. First of all, I was always in habit of reading, so मुझे तकलीफ नहीं हो रही थी कि 15 घंटे 16 घंटे बैठ के पढ़ सकूँ. So I could easily study that much. That was a big advantage. Secondly, हमारी thinking का pattern एक logical होता है, काफ़ी analytical होता है. We used to examine things as a doctor. You see things from you ask questions. You try to find out why the problem is there and what is the grassroots problem behind it, and you trying to find a solution. So वो आपकी रिफ्लेक्ट भी होती है पर्सनालिटी में. और कहीं ना कहीं जब आप ब्यूरोक्रेसी में आते हैं, चाहे पुलिस सर्विस में हो या किसी भी सर्विस में हो, आप प्रॉब्लम के सिम्टम्स पे नहीं जाते, आप उसके एक्चुअल कॉज पे जाते हो. एंड देन यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट फ्रॉम द रूट कॉज. Eliminate कहते हैं ना, the disease from its the root, and which is required. Plus, obviously, since you are doctors, you have a habit of reading a lot, so It doesn't make you feel bored when you have to read new things every time. And that's a plus point.
पूरे एपिसोड को देखने के लिए क्लिक ऑन द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सुशासन द पॉडकास्ट.